Hey, hi guys, welcome back. So, today we will see one topic related to our um, Tosca training, okay, which is a very basic topic, okay, and this will be useful for the people who started learning the Tosca, okay. So, we'll see how we can apply conditions in Tosca, okay. So, there might be some situation where there are, suppose one test case has 10 test steps, okay, and for um, the out of 10 test steps, and 5 are common for all the test cases, okay, 5 test steps are common for all the 10 test cases, okay, and remaining 5 like depends on the condition, okay. Few test case will have sixth step, few test case will have seventh steps, few test case will have eighth step. So that situation, instead of creating a individual test cases, we what we can do, we can apply conditions, okay. So we'll see today with a small demo like how we can apply conditions. So I'm giving a very taking a very basic one form, okay, practice form, and I will try to explain like how we can apply condition. So for this web page I have already um, scanned, okay, particular web page I have already scanned. You can see here few details I have already taken from this page, okay. So what we will do, we will create some list of users, okay. We'll fill form for some one or two users, okay, and then we'll see how we can apply the condition. So what I will do, and we will use a concept of template here, template in TCD, okay, because you cannot apply condition in the individual test cases, okay. You can apply on the test cases which is part of your template, okay. So let me go to Tosca training, let me create one test case, okay, conditioning in Tosca. You can also use e-files, okay. Apart from e-files, how we can use conditioning, that I will explain today, okay. So this is my test case, okay, and let me drag and drop. This is my test step, okay. So we have to provide a value here, but instead of hard coding here, what we will do, we will use a concept of a template, okay. So for template we need to have test case design sheet, okay. Let me design one sheet, okay. Let me just give same name, conditioning in Tosca. This you can give any name, just I give this name, conditioning in Tosca, and I will create few attributes, okay. Whatever attributes I need name, okay, okay, name, that is first name. I need some more attribute, last last name. I need email, okay. I need email. Gender, yes, I need gender. I don't need date of birth, I need this, don't need hobbies. Address, I will just give address, okay. So this many attributes I need, okay. Now these are my attributes, okay. And gender, let me create instances, okay. Gender, let me create instances like male and female. Okay, so these are my attributes. Now I need the instances. Instances is nothing but my test case. Okay, okay, registration, register for user 1. Okay, like that I want few users, like 3 users. So my sheet is ready. Now I need to provide the values. Okay, like first name. So what I will do, instead of giving some hardcode name, we'll use some inbuilt functions. Okay, generic functions. Like first name, I will show you here. First name I can use like some random. Okay, like random regex. What it will do, random regex, it will give us the random text or number. Okay, whatever we give. So one second guys. R E random regex. Okay, this is the syntax. Inside that we have to provide our regular expression. Okay, I want in capital A to Z any character, 5 character. Okay, so if I translate, it will show 5 character in capital letter. Okay, so same thing I will pass in my sheet here. Okay, first name I passed here, even last name I passed here, email also I will give email, same @example.com. Gender I provided male, address I have given some random text. Okay, same thing I will give here all as well. Okay, this is, suppose this is male, this is female, email, I will give, one second. Okay, so we are not hard coding anything, all generic values we are passing. Okay, it's fine. Now we have to map our test case data into our test case. So for that we need to have our test case to be converted to template. Convert to template. You can see the above folder only I have explained how we can convert test case to template, how we can assign test case design sheet. But again I'm telling here, like if you are having test case, let me convert back to test case. Okay, like that, if you have test case, if you want to convert to template, just right click on it and click on convert to template. You can see the icon will get changed and you will see T in the test case. Okay, name. And now template is ready. We have to map the data. For that, what you can do, just drag and drop your test case design sheet to your template. Okay, how you can cross check whether your template, whether your sheet has been attached or not, just right click on that, click on jump to schema definition, it will take you to the sheet. Okay, now how you can map, see there are two ways. Okay, let me first remove this. Okay, there are two ways. First way is like just open curly braces, give Excel, open bracket, then it will show all the instances whatever you have. Okay, select. And second way is just drag this particular attribute and drop here. Okay, two ways you can map. Okay, so let me fill the values. Okay, email and gender. Okay, mobile number we have not taken. Okay, address, Excel of address. Okay, we'll take one field mobile number. Okay, mobile number, and we'll give some mobile number. Normally it will be of 10 digit. Okay, so we'll give random of 10 digit. Okay, can give random of 10. Okay, now mobile we will mobile number will map. Okay, so these fields we have mapped, but there is few checkboxes are there, hobbies. Okay, so few user might have hobby in sports, few in reading, few in music, and few users will be there who have um, hobbies on in sports as well as in reading. Some users might have hobbies in all three. So these hobbies only we are going to apply conditions. Okay, so what I will do here in my template, I will just select true for all three checkboxes. Okay, I will tell you why I'm selecting all true. I'm not going to select on submit. Okay, I'm just filling the value. Now I'm done with my template. Okay, and in the sheet I have three different users. Okay, user 1, user 2, user 3. Okay, so let me just create a instances for that. How you can create instance? There are again two ways. If you click on template and go to test cases, there is option instantiate. Okay, click on that, it will create test case for these three users. This instantiate is nothing but your test case. Okay, let me delete it. Other way is right click on that, click on this three dots. Okay, create template instance and click on yes. Okay, now my test cases is created. See, for user 1, whatever data is present in the sheet, okay, it is reflecting here. Okay, but for all users you can see all three checkboxes are checked. Okay, checked all users. Okay, let me create one attribute like user. Okay, user is like user 1. Okay, user 2 and user 3. Okay, so now user 1 only likes sports, user 2 only likes reading, and user 3 only likes music. Okay, this is our first condition. Okay, so now how we can apply condition? Okay, how we can apply condition? See, whichever steps you want to apply condition, just click on that step. If you see in the property window, okay, one second, let me drag and drop here. Here you will find condition. Okay, you can apply condition here. Like how you can apply condition based on the attribute you can apply condition. Suppose user 1, okay, user 1 want, I mean likes only sports. So how you will give this particular sports like user 1? So you can give attribute name equals to user 1, okay, because this is in capital, okay. User 1 likes only sports, so this sports is already true, okay. So my user 1 likes only sports, so I have clicked on that and I have applied condition here, user equals to user 1. So what does this means enable this option only for the attribute where user equals to user 1. So Tosca will come here, it will see user attribute. For first test case it is user 1, so it will go here, it will enable this step, okay. And for this sports liked by hobby of user 1 is sports. For user 2 likes only reading, so we'll give user 2. And user 3 likes only music, okay. From here also you can apply condition, just right click on that column chooser, okay, column chooser, and from here you select condition, okay. So here also you can apply user equals to user 3, okay. User 1 only likes sports, user 2 only likes reading, user 3 only likes music. I have applied condition. Just before apply condition, just see for every user 1 all three are checked, user 2 all three are checked, user 3 all three are checked. Now I have applied condition in the template, okay. So whenever you do any changes in the template, what you have to do, you have to just right click on instance and click on reinstantiate instance, okay. So now there is a problem in my condition, so I am getting error as invalid instantiation condition, user equals to user 1. User 1 is not a valid Excel path, it's telling user 1 is not a valid Excel path. So just see here the icon, you can see yellow icon, that means some problem with my conditioning. Now we'll go and check. We have user 1, user 2, user 3, okay. Already we have user equals to user 1, user 2, user 3 is already there, but in the last one I have given small, okay. Let's see whether this will resolve our issue or not. Still I am getting user 1, user 2, user 3 is not a valid Excel path. So what I will do, let me just give double equals and let's reinstantiate user 1 is not a valid Excel path, okay. User is not a valid Excel path. User equals to user 1. It's alright. I didn't give double quotes, that's why it was not taking the condition, okay. So now you just see here for user 1 only sports is this step is enabled. For user 2, the reading is enabled. For user 3, music will be enabled. This is what we have applied the condition. Okay. Now, suppose in case now user 2 also likes reading. Sorry, user 2 also likes sports. Okay. So how we can apply condition now? You can apply like this. You can apply multiple condition in a test step. Okay. You can give either you can give this pipe symbol, or you can give or user 2. Suppose user 3 also likes sports. You can give or this, and just see now. Let me reinstantiate. Okay, I have missed double quote here as well as here. Okay, now see here. User 1 likes only sports. User 2 likes sports and reading, and user 3 also likes sports and music. Okay, this is what we have given condition. Suppose user 1, user 3 don't like reading, but that is usual only, because if someone likes anything we are providing value. Okay, if I don't provide anything here, okay, if I don't provide anything here, so what will happen? For all the users, okay, for all the users this will be enabled. Okay, sports, just see here, see sports is enabled, sports is enabled, and for um, user 3 sports is enabled. This is OR condition. Suppose we can apply AND condition as well. Okay, suppose user 3, okay, suppose user 1, okay, user 1 don't like sports, so user, sorry, capital user is not equals to user 1. Okay, so user 1 don't like sports, and even user 2 also don't like sports. So what we can give, either we can give AND, okay, or we can give AND symbol. This is ampersand symbol used for AND condition. Okay, so user is not equals to user 2. Just remember one thing, when you are applying condition, like if two users, okay, two users like the same thing, you can use OR condition. Okay, OR condition and equals. If two users don't like the same thing, means you will use not equals, as well as you have to use AND. Okay, remember this, you have to use AND. Now just see what, when I will reinstantiate, okay, what will happen. uh, some spelling mistake I have done, which I always do. Okay, user, really sorry guys, because every time I do this spelling mistake, uppercase lowercase mistake. Okay, so now sports user 1 and user 2, for user 1 and user 2 we should not see sports option. Okay, only reading and music will be there, because I have not applied any condition. Okay, but for user 3 we should have all true. Okay, just see here, for user 1 sports we gave not equals to, So it is not showing for user 1. Same for user 2 as well, but in user 3 you can see all are true. Okay, same way you can apply condition for user 3 as well. You can apply multiple condition. Okay, if I give user 3 and let me apply the same condition here also. So now what will happen? Sports and reading won't be enabled for all the users. Okay, and music will be enabled for all. Just see here, control or to reinstantiate we can use control R. Okay, see here, for user 1 sports reading is not enabled, for user 2 sports reading is not enabled, for user 3 sports and reading is not enabled because we have applied condition is both the steps. Okay, so this is how you can apply condition at the test case test step level, as even you can apply the same condition at the test case level as well as the template level also you can apply. Okay, suppose if you want to apply at the test case level, here you can see condition is there, you can apply condition based on your scenario. Okay, for example I will show you. Okay, what example I can show? Okay, suppose let me give one attribute scenario. Okay, let me give positive. Okay, let me create instance positive and negative. So this is negative and negative. Okay, now suppose I want only positive test cases. Okay, suppose if I give a template scenario. Okay, here I will give scenario equals positive. Okay, I will delete this and I want only positive scenarios here. Okay, again did some spelling mistake, it's a small. Okay, small. Okay, scenario equals to positive. Is it correct spelling? Oh my god, this is so much. Okay, now I will copy and I will paste here. Okay, here I will give, hope this spelling I will give correct, negative. Okay, let me delete this and let me instantiate. So here this is the positive test case, this is the negative test case. Okay, like that I have segregated based on the condition. So here scenario based on, you might have some negative scenario, positive scenario, and if you want to segregate. Okay, so like that you can apply condition at the template level. Okay, instance level, as well as same you can apply for test case level also. Like this is my test case, so if I want this test case for this particular condition, you can apply condition. Okay, So this can be applied at test case level, test step level, template instance level as well. Okay. Okay guys, that's all for this conditioning. Request you to go and practice this conditioning. This is very useful when you work in real-time project. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.